It was a non-conscious decision.
Yep.
So that's how cognitive bias works. And it's really hard to self-detect because we make the decision and then afterwards we validate our decision. We select the facts to validate our point of view. So it's hard for us to self-detect, but we can see it in other people. So we can develop organizational structures to talk about cognitive bias.
It seems like such a powerful tool. And I do agree. I think it is easier to detect it in others. Mm-hmm. And you can always sort of look back at your own decisions and try to think, well, why did I choose this or that? It's hard to look at yourself, though. That's whole.
No, it is. And I want to stress that cognitive bias is not inherently bad. Yeah. Right. It's not, right. We make it helps us make lots of decisions and that sort of thing. But when the scope and the size of the impact is large, right, we need to evaluate it. And one way, I like little key phrases. So one phrase that I like is, if you have a brain, you have cognitive bias, right? So when you're making a decision, a big decision, you just say to yourself, if I have a brain, I have cognitive bias. That's sort of like a key to just say, okay, should I stop here and evaluate like how cognitive bias might be impacting my decision?
Yeah. If we only stopped and thought about things before we made decisions or said things, right? That would be great.